Alam nyo ba na may newest affordable private cabin for as low 6,000 pesos that can accommodate 6 to 8 person maximum capacity? All in all, 2 cabins nga pala siya na modern na pa-roof type. Kahit hanggang 16 person kayo guys, kayang-kaya yan dito. Matutuloy nyo na yung staycation nyo. Ideal ang private cabin na ito kapag marami kayo guys. Napakagandang private cabin with corner infinity pool, may 2 roof cabins na good for 16 person. Sobrang lapit sa Tagaytay. 5 to 10 minutes lang. Guys, ang ganda ng pinag-staycationan namin. Dito yan, sa Amadeo, Cavite. Madaling puntahan and also pet friendly. Welcome to Gentle Wind Cabin. We stay here for 21 hours. Itur ko na kayo kagad. What to expect guys? Meron silang smart TV, fully equipped kitchen, and big sofa. At ang bilis ng wifi nila dito guys. Ang highlights nila dito guys, itong corner infinity pool na very relaxing with a nice view. Talagang mag-i-enjoy at family nyo kasi dito mag-i-enjoy kayo sa videoke nila at mga board games. At dito nyo masaselebrate ang moments ng family nyo. Nandito lang nyo matatagpuan yan sa Amadeo, Cavite. And thank you for watching. See you again on my next destination.